Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a perfect and successful business model to make money online step by step. And the first step, just head over to this amazing website that says spoken.io, and this beautiful platform shows different items with different prices in different websites. So for example, here you can find a variety of home decor items like this one, and so forth. So if you head over to this chair, for example, spoken.io shows this amazing chair in its original platform, that is Lumens, just for $1,600. However, you can find the same chair as a client in different websites with more affordable prices, as you see in over 18 different websites. And the cheapest price just for $700. That means you can actually get this amazing and this elegant chair and save over $900, as you see. Thus, that goes on the mechanism of this amazing spoken.io to show different items in different websites with their affordable prices, as you see. And apparently it helps people to get the most affordable prices over these amazing items. And for sure, sneakily it's affiliate marketing that provide this amazing item with different affiliate programs with different platforms. And the same way, different websites act on this mechanism and this way, like this amazing website that's cashbackholic.com. It's especially for cashback websites. And the same mechanism, it shows you different cashback websites to get the most affordable and the most suitable offer from cashback websites if you want to shop from different brands using cashback websites. So for example, if you look for something like Shutterstock or Canva or anything else like Shutterstock, free royalty stock photos to use on your websites or videos and so on, here at this cashbackholic.com provides you with a list of different cashback websites that contain this offer or this brand that is Shutterstock. So here you can find these websites with their offer or their cashback offers, as you see, with different rates, bonus, reviews, and so on. And of course, it's not a affiliate program, but also it makes money online by what's so-called referral program. So for example, if you head over to Top Cashback and you purchase from Shutterstock through Top Cashback, you will get a cashback offer that equals to 20%. And this amazing website earns from its referral program, like this one, as you see, Tell a Friend program. So now, how we can actually make money online like spoken.io or cashbackholic.com. So if you want to behave like spoken.io with affiliate marketing, the first step is you've got to join all these affiliate programs for different items, as you see. So if you want to promote this table, you've got to join Georgia and Lulu and Target, Wayfair, and so on, different platforms that provides the same original item, as you see, like this amazing spoken.io. So simply just head over to google.com and here you can type here in the search bar Target affiliate program or Wayfair affiliate program or Lulu affiliate program and so on and so forth to join their affiliate programs to start promoting their items. And the second step, just you can use a landing page to promote these items with their different prices in different platforms. So how you can do that? Simply, you can make this landing page on blogger.com. It's a free one, by the way, or you can go to Google site. It's a free amazing platform where you can actually make a beautiful landing page to promote these items. So here you can go to this blank site to create your landing page to promote your items, as you see. Perfect. And here you can remove this one, I don't need it. Okay, and here you can actually, okay, and now you can go to spoken.io again, and here you can go to this item, for example, and take a screenshot of it using your any screenshot you have. Okay, like this one quickly. Perfect. And now it's time to customize this photo on canva.com to place your price and your platform. So go to canva.com and open a new canvas like this one, and here you can go to search for any done for you templates for home decor. So search for home decor like this one, and you can pick one of these beautiful templates, anyone like this one for example, and just remove this item and replace with your amazing photo you have taken from spoken.io, as you see. And now it's time to make your price. Provide this photon land that is $1,700. Okay. In the same way, you can repeat this process for different platforms that provide the same item with different price. However, you've got to actually show this new price in comparison to the old one. So for example, if you go to spoken.io, and here you can find with different over 20 platforms that provide and sell the same table, like FA stores for example, you can show its price for this platform in comparison to the original one in Photon Land. So simply you can go to your canvas, okay, and here you can go to elements and select lions like this one, and make it as its old price, okay, as you see, and then insert here its new price in this FA stores, like for example you can say it like $900, as you see, and the new one, and so on. Okay, perfect. Then you prepared all these photos and all these images that show different prices for the same item in different platforms, and now it's time to upload all these photos on your landing page. So how you can do that? Simply you can go to your landing page like this one, and the first step here, you can upload this photo of the original platform that sells your item. You upload here like this one, and you insert your landing page, you insert here your affiliate link that you have taken from the first platform, or insert here a brief description of this table or this item, and then insert your affiliate link that you have taken from this platform that provides this item for just $1,000. And here to provide a variety of different platforms that sell the same table, you can go to this content blocks, and here you can insert here this one, and for every single block just you can upload your photos you have made on canva.com with different platforms individually. So for example, here you can upload this one that shows the old price and the new one, so that means if you are a client, you can save money by buying this same chair here on FA, and you upload the affiliate link of this FA networks, and the same one in this one like target.com, and here you can pay Wayfair and so on and so forth. Just to provide the same item with different prices in comparison to the original one on Lofton and platform. Then when you're done, just you can publish your website or your landing page, and it could be like that. Then it's time now to promote this landing page or this website, and the best place is Pinterest.com. Yes, Pinterest.com. So you can create an attractive pin image on Canva.com that shows this amazing item with different prices on different ones. So you've got to make a call to action that drives more customers to save their money by purchasing this item, and they would save like $1,000 and so on. Then they click over this pin image, and then they will be taken to this landing page that shows different prices with different platforms of the same item. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.